Welcome to our channel Box Office Release. Let's start the video now. Though we needed to wait and strangely long term to premiere Moondale's Young Adults on screen, thanks to COVID, Netflix is losing no time with Sex Education Season 4. A mere week after the third collection arrived, the streamer showed a fourth collection became within the works throughout its To Doom event. This additionally unveiled a Stranger Things Season 4 trailer and primarily studied Bridgerton's upcoming second collection. Stars Kuti Gatwa Eric and Keller Williams Sterling Jackson broke the news. Turns to comfort of fanatics thinking what is going to befall the scholars of Moondale now that their faculty is no longer. Netflix has renewed Sex Education for Season 4. That's on hand because the Solid and crew all appear eager on greater comedic sexual escapes at Moondale High, or anywhere they will be analyzing next, thinking about the faculty is going to close down after the activities of the third collection. With the season formally showed, predict Sex Education Season 4 can be launched in September 2022. This is on the very earliest. Sex Education appears to have a fairly speedy turnaround as the second season became launched nearly precisely a year after primary in January 2020. However, filming of Season 3 became not on time by way of means of coronavirus pandemic and did now no longer most excellent till over 18 months later in September 2021. COVID-19 regulations permitting sex education ought with any luck to go back on a year after its cycle. Even though the display's desire to shoot throughout the summertime season months may also postpone this somewhat. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest update about all series and upcoming movies. It appears that Season 4 will see a piece of a shake-up for the display following the activities of the closing season. Moondale High is outwardly shutting down after traders pulled investment following the scholars' protest towards head teacher Hope's new rules. And even though Maeve and Otis subsequently were given collectively within the third collection, Maeve ended up leaving for America earlier than their courting to get up the crown. We will need to be patient if Season 4 sees them strive out long distance or alternative up as soon as Maeve is returned to model. The collection 3 finale additionally teased that Jacob won't be the daddy of Jean's baby, which could absolutely place their fragile coating and their newfound own circle of relatives dynamic to the test. Other plot factors installation within the third collection in all likelihood will be explored in Season 4. This consists of Cal and fellow non-binary scholar Layla's budding friendship, or even a capacity love triangle among Eric, Adam and Raheem, Eric's preceding ex-boyfriend. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more box office movies, web series reviews, news and updates, please visit our website www.boxofficerelease.com, and if you like our video, then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also, to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Box Office Release.